first time?
Yeah. What about you?
This are gonna make 6. Me have to get it this time because I study the system, Rasta. Study it.
Number 89 at counter number 2.
What number you got?
Cheetah. A 91 me have.
Bridget, you see a 16 that? Put the number upside down.
Number 90 at counter number 1.
My number that. When the lady call your number, you tell her then they pass you. Let's have up my friend.
Number 90 at counter number 1.
Good day, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Documents, please.
Number 91 at counter number 2.
Has anything changed in your application since the last time you applied?
Yes, ma'am. The last time I came here without the land title. But this time we have it, ma'am.
Okay, I'll produce it.
Just a minute, ma'am. Just a minute. 1 minute, ma'am. Right?
Sir, I already gave you a minute. I'm sorry to inform you, but you are still ineligible for a U.S. visa. Have a great day.
So bad.
What would you do if you won the jackpot in the Las Vegas casino?
I would put in the gold TM, ma'am.
Enjoy your vacation, sir.
Does this mean we get you, ma'am?
Enjoy your vacation, sir.
Give me the green light. Give me just one.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Here I come.
I'm ready to go right now. I'm ready to go right now. I see you move. I'm checking your smile. Working your back like it's going out of style. Shake just a little bit faster. Shake just a little now, girl. I'm dying to meet you, so let's mess around. Got an obsession with us getting down.